The last that I will show you today is a relational thinking strategy that most of you probably know. And this would be something like 156 minus 137. And if we were to stack them on top of each other. This is acceptable for students to do, but it is so crucial that they understand what each of these numbers are worth in their place value. This will help them as they move on into upper level math. So if your child is using a formal algorithm like relational thinking strategy like this, please make sure that they know in the ones place what each of those numbers are. In the tens place, that this is 50 and 30. In the hundreds place, that this is 100 and 100, because that will just help them so much later on. So if you were going to do this with your children, please help them know that, like for this example, 6 minus 7, we can't do that because the 6 is smaller than the 7. We cannot take away the 7 from the 6. So we would have to borrow from the tens place. So we would take 10 from 50 and make that 40, and then we would add that on to the ones place to make that 16. So then we would do 16 minus 7 is 9, and then we would know that 4 minus 3, in other words 40 minus 30, would get us 1, which would actually be worth 10 in the tens place, and then 100 minus 100 is 0. So then our answer would be 19. A more complicated example would be maybe 894 minus 288. So then again, we can't do 4 minus 8. That would give us a negative number. So we're going to borrow from this 90 to make that 8 or 80, and then add that to the ones place, 14. 14 minus 8 would be 6, and then 8 minus 8 would give us 0, and 8 minus 2 would give us 6. So 606 would be our answer for that one. Please let me know if you have any questions on any of these strategies, and I can send you more examples or help you in any way that I can.